So what's up, kamusta? Ayos ba tayo dyan? So nandito tayo ngayon sa may Mitsukushi Pulilan branch para sa update natin at marami silang available na unit dito. So update vlogs, moto visit, and pakita natin lahat ng mga unit na available ngayon. So maparepo tsaka brand new nila. So baka nandito na yung hinahanap mong motorcycle, tara, umpisahan na natin yung moto visit dito sa motorcycle na to or dito sa branch na to, Mitsukushi Pulilan branch. Tara, samahan nyo ako. Ayos na ayos yan.
You cannot stop me, I'ma make it to the top spicy. Call a covenant, not cocky. You cannot break me, this world's mine for the taking. Got an itch, man, I'm making. I'll keep my head down and grind and be patient. I'll take a stab at the top and the sailing. They can all try, but you cannot contain it. Cause I see the things that I want and I take on my goals. Push myself to the brink, no limit. Do what it takes to be free, committed. I'm a little obsessed with things, I'll admit it. But that's what it takes to get a freedom ticket. Got a killer instinct and it's just the beginning. Breaking down walls and the hurt start thinning. And the more you push it, the fast start trimming till you're the only one standing up.
Yun, shoutout kay boss. Anong pangalan mo, sir?
Droll Pagyo, sir.
Shoutout mo na, dali.
Shoutout everyone. Sir EJ.
Shoutout kay sir, yan.